2026. Meaning, andiri matatawag amo ang first runner-up. But we will be awarding first our first runner-up. Alright? So is it clear? Again, I will be announcing our Miss Teen Kugon 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the award for Miss Teen Kugon First Runner-Up, Honorable Nick Cajon and Miss Roslyn Monte. For Miss Teen Kugon 2026, to present the award, Mr. Honorable Harvey Doughty. For the crown, Miss Teen Kugon 2024, Miss Jaya Cadion. And for the sash, Miss Rhoda Lady G. Navarro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Who is your bet? Congratulations! You are our Miss Teen Kugon 2026! By the way, thank you so much, Nick and John, for having me tonight. As your host, again, I would like to acknowledge the help of our SK officials headed by Harvey and the rest of the SK Council. Dahil thank you so much sa iyong tanan. Damo-damo nga salamat, SK Council. And of course, to my beautiful wardrobe, thank you so much, Maggie Minjola, for making me beautiful and spoiling me tonight for this beautiful creation. So, let me announce now our Miss